Hey guys, my name is Aman and in this video I'm going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy M13, which is one of my latest purchases. So let me tell you more about it. This dual SIM phone comes in a beautiful midnight blue color that adds to the sleek look of it. Its screen is 6.6 inches with FHD Plus display that delivers beautiful colors. It has a 4GB RAM which makes the phone quick, easy and smooth to use. Its 6000 mAh battery ensures you can use your phone for hours on end without the need to charge it. Its internal memory is 64GB while being expandable up to 1TB. When it comes to the camera, the phone is ideal to take beautiful pictures in. It has a 50MP triple camera in the front and a 8MP selfie camera. This phone is also available in 3 more colors, that is brown, light green and dark blue. You can also pick up a higher internal storage model up to 128GB and opt for a 5G model that is available in 3 different variants, that is aqua green, midnight blue and stardust brown.